Tired of polished TED Talks that leave you with zero tools to crush the pitch? Welcome to Unbarred Conversations, the raw debrief where we rip apart the fluff and rebuild your mad skills from the ground up. I'm Cam Welsh, Emeritus Prof and Case Coach, who's teamed 302 teams into 180 plus podium beasts over 20 plus years. No slides, no sugarcoating, just honest fire that levels you up. Picture this: a spin trainer flips her empire online in 10 days during COVID chaos. Adaptability on steroids, ripple effects that ignite leadership confidence, or ditching the killer word don't from cues that make teams unstoppable. We're talking real talk from pros who have been in the trenches, present hacks that unmute your inner beast, feed forward roasts that swap weak sandwiches for next level growth, teamwork takedowns that turn mutant Zoom ghosts into podium predators. This ain't classroom theory. It's pointed critique that forges my squads from scattered ideas to messy gold. Critical thinking sharpened, communications unbreakable, creativity unleashed, for business students and young pros ready to stop scrolling and start stacking wins. Every episode, no holds barred combos that hit where it hurts and heal. Guests like Tash Marshall Bean dropping ripple effect bombs that echo from spin class to case comps, or Matt Zerde turning cooking lasagna into case comp magic. We unpack why your whys light the fire, how to show up unmuted in a world of silent scrollers, and the brutal truth. Info's worthless without skills to wield it. From Haskane halls to global hustles, this is unfiltered edge that turns potential into podium fire. Honest feedback. Yeah, it stings, but that's how we win. Step by raw step. Discover Your Mad Skills Toolkit is here to arm you with the communication, creativity, and critical thinking that employers crave and competitors fear. Hit the subscribe on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple, wherever you grind. Drop a like if you're ready to get roasted into gold. Support the mission at buymeacoffee.com/dreadsoft. Fuel the combos that charge careers. Unbarred Conversations. Talk where we talk real, improve hard, win big. Unfiltered, unstoppable. Let's build those mad skills together. It's your move. It's time to level up.